See, that file has already moved. It has gone to the law department for vetting. When it comes back, we will be giving the house numbers to all houses in Goa. Idea is, see, whichever houses that are existing till today, okay, they are already there. Nobody is going to demolish them. Okay, nowhere in Goa they have been demolished for that matter. They have electricity, they have water. They go to health and they get the NOC from the health department, and then they get the electricity and water. As against such a background, none of the panchayats are earning a single paisa as revenue. None of the municipalities are earning a single paisa as revenue. Giving them house number does not legalize those particular houses. They continue as it is, but at least because they are using the resources of the government in terms of electricity, water supply, other amenities like roads, gutters, which the panchayats do, panchayats should get some income. Legalizing them is altogether different process. It's for the revenue department to deal with it. Yeah, huh? I can only say a fairly good number of people have already fixed the meters. Every day there are people fixing the meters. But I don't want to give the numbers because then I don't want them to become targets for fixing the meters. But they have realized that they have to fix the meter. It's a High Court order, it has to be followed. They have no option. And moreover, we have taken all their grievances into consideration. Now Monday is the STA meeting where increase in the fare also will be decided on Monday. Monday is the STA meeting which will decide about the fares.
What happened to when you talk about the grievances, you have been asking for the counter for a long time. Finally, last cabinet has when the last cabinet.
Yeah, last cabinet has. Now only after they pay the money as per that cabinet decision, then the counters will be transferred back to airport authority, and then airport authority will give it to us. We are in constant touch with them. The moment they pay that amount, then it will come to us.
So after that?
After that, our action starts. Then you will see.